वेलकम बैक टू परमजीत सोनी ब्लॉग। तो गाइस आज ताजमहल घुमा रहे हैं गेस्ट को, तो आपको दिखाते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग ओए लक्की जी, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो गाइस होटल डेजल स्टार्ट टू ताजमहल, स्टार्ट टू ताजमहल। यस यस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं रिक्शा से।
Booking pass, then they allow. So you from Piano. Do not make eye contact. Do not make eye contact.
जय बजरंग बली।
Baby monkey. Puppy, baby monkey. Like puppy. Vaccine there. Very well job. We will just get down. So there's a small puppy.
या ये सब
Tab is
हाँ टैब ही सब पे।
Because I don't want to open this one.
ओह क्लोज्ड।
Because this is for meeting. No.
ओह या
Battery.
okay, not much, but you don't have charger.
For my battery.
यू हैव चार्जर ना?
Yes.
Yes.
But, when
या
I want is full when I
Full,
come
yeah.
to the meeting.
Okay.
Understand? Because after
Yeah,
I have the
शॉप है और एक नंबर की कॉफ़ी बनाते हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। ये शॉप कहाँ पे है हमारी?
ये सर ईस्टर्न गेट पूर्वी गेट ताजमहल आगरा।
आगरा ना? तो अपने पास क्या क्या अवेलेबल है सर? चाय कॉफ़ी और
सर मेरे पास ऑल टाइप की कॉफ़ी है।
ओके।
आलमंड है, सोया मिल्क है, कैपुचिनो, कैफे लाटे, कैफे मोका, ऑल टाइप ऑल कॉफ़ी अवेलेबल।
तो गाइस हर तरह की कॉफ़ी अवेलेबल है। तो ये सामने देखो ताजमहल की एंट्री के सामने बिल्कुल इनकी शॉप है। तो बहुत अच्छी सिटिंग भी है इनके पास। फॉरनर्स, इंडियन जो मर्जी आए, एनआरआईज। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू सर।
सो एंजॉय टू कॉफ़ी। गुड लकी।
Would you like to taste tea?
यस नो। मसाला 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 चाय। ये टेस्ट करें, टेस्ट
Ginger, cardamom, and clove.
because
So
in,
nice.
in aeroplane give me the tea.
Free entry for everyone. And the ticket concept start from 1988. The maintained by the Indian government, the beautiful garden is inside. There is a total 16 garden. Why made 16 garden? Because this construction was started 16th century. And there you can see the beautiful design, the Persian pattern. You know Persia? Iran? Before called it Persia, now called Iran. Because that beautiful palace, king beloved the memory of Queen Mumtaz. So she was a Persian lady. So they have to put same kind of stone. They can't add anything because this is a heritage building. Just example, if this will be break from here, so they will put like the same kind of. They can't add anything. They can't put here the white Makrana marble. So first we are coming from the east gate. West gate is there. West gate is there, and south gate that side, the left hand side. And here is the 3 gate, but in present only 2 gate is open for the entry, east and west. South gate is a permanently closed. If we come from the any gate, so we have to enter from that gate. That we call the royal gate and north gate. When you see that gate, from the front side also same look and the back side also same look. Both sides same look. Come here, home of Taj Mahal. So finally we have entered.
Yeah, family rental, yes.
East gate, west gate, south gate and north gate. So that is the main gate.
Okay.
There is a main building. Taj Mahal is over there. So that beautiful palace, Shah Jahan, he was the 5th Mughal emperor. So that beautiful palace beloved memory of wife, Mumtaz,
Yeah,
lady of Taj.
yes, because
She was the 3rd wife of Shah Jahan. Third wife. third wife. He had two another wife.
Ah, due.
First wife is a Fatehpuri Begum. Second wife is Sirindi Begum. Third one is a Mumtaz Begum. So Mumtaz original name is Arjuman Banu Begum. Banu, Persian lady, Iranian. So after married, call it Mumtaz. So Shah Jahan not call it Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan call it Mumtaz Mahal. So when we convert this name in English, Mumtaz, Mum means beautiful, fantastic. Taj means crown and Mahal means palace. So Shah Jahan call it beautiful crown palace. It took 22 years. 22 years. Main building, it's made of white Makarana marble and they view like the beautiful stones. Took 17 years and another construction took 5 years. So total 22 years. So before time, no calendar, no calculator, no mobile. So king was put there. 11 domes. King was ordered. 11 domes was keep in front. 11 is the back. Each year was put the one dome. You're looking on top, the white one I'm talking about. 11 keep in front, 11 is back. Taj Mahal took 22 years, so 22 domes is over here. And when we remove that domes, so that get right side and left side also same. Just like the structure of Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal, if you see any side, front, back, right, left, all sides same. It's like the perfect symmetry there. That time, technology was not advanced. Architecture he was very advanced. That gate, they used the Lohari bricks just like the tiles. No natural and no cement. No cement, no chemical. They use natural element as the food. Jaggery, you know jaggery?
Jaggery.
It's made of sugar cane, sweet, which also is added in tea. Tea color is yellow, yellow and dark brown.
C'è un po' di ciaia
Small pieces, sweet,
diceva dolce.
yellow color, okay. Begum mosque and mausoleum. Same concept that side for second wife. Sirindi Begum mosque, Sirindi Begum mausoleum. South gate, so that we call the labor gate. Workers, 20,000 workers using that construction, so they was enter from that gate. And the Mumtaz, the best lady of Taj, she was reading inside. In their work, because the Shah Jahan, he was very good artist. He was love from art. Also, he was respect for the art. And Mumtaz, she was love from the jam system. That's why they are used like the different kinds of stone. Black one is onyx. So they are written in Arabic language, Muslim prayer, translated from Holy Quran. Half Muslim prayer written in front, half is back. Beautiful flower. It's called, stone name is coral. Coral.
Okay.
So in mausoleum, lapis lazuli, mother of pearl, abalone seashell, and green jade. Total 12 different kind of stone used here. And which is the all stone is the engraved. It's called white Makarana marble. So that material bought from Makarana, 400 km far from there. So next we are going for the Jaipur, Agra to Jaipur. So Agra to Jaipur 250 km distance, and from there Jaipur to the 150 km distance, Makarana. So that material come from Rajasthan. Group leader. यार तो ताड़े वक्त लग रहा है. Same look like Kama.
ये मिस्टर लक्की.
Same look like Kama.
ना मिस्टर लक्की.
पहचाना नहीं तुमने, हमने कहा इतनी जान से पहचान, तुम कैसे आ रहे तुम्हारे बड़े दिन.
He is a very big patiya man.
उनका भांडा पूरा मिलना नहीं मिलना.
He is a very big patiya. Yo, so good, beautiful.
थोड़ा सा आगे लगे.
Nice, very nice. Nice.
You want to take single from here? Single. Okay. Kirpa Babu, give me a phone at the number. Near. Come. आ जाओ सोने ना.
हेलो भैया
Enjoy to Taj Mahal. Sun is coming.
आओ इधर आ जाओ. Both sides same. Half Muslim prayer in front, half is back. It's related from Holy Quran. Holy Quran. So half front, half back. There right to left, here left to right. And that is the main building, Taj Mahal. So both are worried there. King and queen. There is the four graves. Four graves. Two is the original one, two is the duplicate. Original is underground. So original one open is a very beautiful garden. So that garden is done by the first Mughal king Babur. You know what Mughals? Mughal? Babur. They was ruler. You know started from where? Mughal, I tell you. Mughal is originally named as Mongol. Mongolia. They started from Sankalesi. They were descendant of the two rulers, Temurlang and Genghis Khan. Some call Genghis Khan, some call Chinggis Khan, some call Genghis Khan. You know how many wives he had?
No.
He had 300 wives.
Wow.
300 legal wives. 300. And 200 kids. No, not change every day because in a year 365 days, Saturday half day, Sunday full day rest. So generation living in China, Russia, Pakistan, Iraq, Iran, Afghanistan and India also as well. Because the Mughal time, Afghanistan and Pakistan were. So Babur mother belonged to the Genghis Khan family and the Babur father belonged to the Temurlang family. And Temurlang he was Muslim. That's why Mughal was become Muslim. So Babur grandson Akbar. Akbar grandson Shah. So he was the fifth Mughal emperor. So Shah Jahan belonged to memory of wife Mumtaz, lady of Taj. So when Mumtaz, she was going to dead, before said to Shah Jahan, I give you the three messages. So you have to do the complete. First one, don't marry again. Reason, he had two another wife. Why did not much care for the two another wife? Why much care for the Mumtaz? Because he did not get any kids from another wife. Only he got the kids from Mumtaz. 14 kids between 20 years. You can say she was pregnant every year, 1.5 years as the average. 8 kids were that in delivery. feature create the problem from upway. So it will be fell down outside. Do not fell down inside. Do not create the problem from main body. It's a total area of 42 acres. And 100 different kind of trees here. It's like a flower plant, different kind of energy. And this gooseberry also good for the stomach, good for the health. राधे 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 Give me a phone and one by one. Yeah, keep out bag. Bag you can give her. Yes, good. Nobody is going to take it.
इचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना इचक दाना दाने ऊपर दाना इचक दाना
छज्जे ऊपर लड़की नाचे लड़का है दीवाना
इचक दाना
साला ओले खड़ी बोलो बोलो क्या मिर्ची मिर्ची लड़की
हवाओं में बहेंगे घटाओं में रहेंगे तू बरखा मेरी मैं तेरा पागल पिया हजारों में
Crazy
किसी
lover.
को
Crazy lover.
तकदीर ऐसी मिली है एक रांझा और हीर जैसी न जाने ये जमाना क्यों चाहे रे मिटाना कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया नाइस वॉइस I'll sing for very good ghazal. You know Arijit Singh.
Wow! Yeah!
Guys, nice service.
Yes.
You
very
like
nice.
Taj Mahal?
Yes.
Like Sony
that-
service?
It's very beautiful.
Like guide service?
Yes.
Lucky ji.
Yes.
Please, you ask my public, subscribe my channel.
Yes.
Paramjit Sony Vlog.
Come Sony Blog and
Subscribe.
Look, subscribe everything. Subscribe and anytime.
Then
every
like
time.
and share.
Then like and share. Please,
Thank you.
please, please.
मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.